Hey everybody, wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to mirror a light with another light in Smartthings. So let's go ahead and open Smartthings app. You should be greeted with your dashboard. Let's go to my home. Let's give it a second to load. And you got all these lights over here. Anyway, so let's say you want to have one mirror the other one. In my case scenario, why I'm doing this, I have lights in my patio and then I just installed deck lights. It should be this guy over here in my backyard, and I want them to be mirrored when I turn the patio lights on. I want the deck lights to go on with them, and they're in the same vicinity in my backyard. So let's go to automations, smart apps, and we got add a smart app, Smartthings recommend. Right here, smart lights on top. It says which device do you want to control? I want to control the deck light. And it says what do you want to do. Right over here you'll find it says mirror behavior, and it says which device you want to mirror off of. I'm going to come down to my patio light. Did I pass it? Right here, patio light. And that's about it. Next, deck lights mirror patio lights. For a name you could rename it or you could keep it like that. I'm just going to click on save. And now we have created an automation where if I turn my patio lights on, either with Google Voice or anything, it will automatically activate my deck lights. So just to verify it, I'm going to come up over here. I'm going to go to deck lights. I'm going to go to smart apps. Now we see under the smart apps, deck lights mirror patio lights. If you click on it here, you would just see what you set up. You can remove it if you don't want it anymore, just, whatever. That's about it. Thank you very much.